And welcome everyone. Today I'm over here at the All-Star Sports Resort. And if you haven't noticed, we're at the pool. So there's actually a couple of pools here at the All-Star Sports. And we're at the pool down near the football section. So when you guys exit the back of the building, you're going to take a left and just keep walking and you'll come right on down to this section. You'll notice all the footballs and you're in the right spot. When you go past the footballs, this is actually set up in the baseball section. So it looks like you're in the football section, but you're actually down here in this baseball section. You can see all the big bats. This is actually my kids' favorite pools to go swimming at. Even all the themed bigger pools, we wind up here the most. So they like coming over here, staying in this resort. It's a fun resort for the kids and stuff. And they like this pool. And we all like the goofy spraying the water on everybody. So if you guys get a chance to come over to the All-Star Sports, definitely check out this pool. You may want to be coming over here, and you notice there's not a lot of people out there, mainly because it's slow right now, but this is how it usually is when we get out there and go swimming. So this is one of the pools at the All-Star Sports, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.